Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here two recently constructed townhouses located in the quiet and cool hills of the gated community known as Orchard in Hopewell, Hanover, approximately 50 minutes from Montego Bay and 45 minutes from Negril. Units are being sold furnished, and each consists of 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Both units are being sold as a single dwelling with their own garage and identical fixtures and fittings. There is sufficient land space for gardening or further home improvement. The total land area is 7,000 square feet. Guys, it's time to see these townhouses. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US $550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.